Let me hide all this component here. Go to assembly, select the new component. We call this nylon gasket. Press OK. In the sketch here, show the sketch one and go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Now go to create, select the project, include project, select this point here, this arc and this 2 point here, and press OK. We have this. We can hide the sketch one. We have this. Now go to create, select the arc, center point arc, click here in this point and this point here, make an arc here. Okay. Now go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click in this point here and this point here, and finish the sketch. We have this. Now go to extrude, the type, select thin extrude, select this profile here, the direction here, symmetric, measurement, whole length, the distance here, 40 millimeters. The wall location, side 1, and wall thickness 1 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to fillet. Select this edge here, and this edge. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. We'll make this. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now show the sketch one again. The sketch here. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane. Go to create, select project, include project. Select this point here and press OK. Now we can hide the sketch one and we can hide this body here. Select the circle. Click here, make a circle here with 5.5 millimeters of diameter and press OK. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. The operation here will be cut. Make a cut here to this side and press OK. We have this. OK. Now to finish this part here, select the fillet. Select this face here and this face here. The fillet here is 0.1 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Let me show the other component here. Let me activate this. We have this. OK. Let me add a color here. Press letter A in the keyboard. We make this. OK. That's good. Now go to assembly, select the new component. We call this aluminum wrench. Press OK. Let me hide this component here. OK. First, show the sketch one here. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane. Go to create, select the project, include project, select this point here and this line and press OK. Now select line, construction line. Make a construction line here. This line must be perpendicular to this line and coincident with this point here. Okay. So go to coincident, select this point, this line. Okay. Now select a circle, click here in this point, make a circle here. Remove the construction line type here. This circle has 15 millimeters of diameter. Okay. And make another circle here with 2 millimeters of diameter. Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between these two circles here is 63 millimeters. Okay, you can move this a little bit here. Okay. We have this. Now go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc. Click here and this point here, make an arc here, and create another arc here, and create another arc here. This arc must be tangent with this both arc here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and the center of this circle is 15 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this line tangent with this circle. Okay. Now the distance of this point here, go to sketch dimension. The distance this point here and this construction line is 4.7 millimeters. And the distance between this point here and this construction line is 8.5 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Go to sketch dimension again. The distance between this point here and this point here is 42 millimeters. That's great. Go to constraints. Select this arc here and this circle, make this tangent. Now select line, a construction line. Select this point here and this point here. Okay. The angle between these two lines here is 23.6 degrees. Okay. Sorry, the distance here. Let me delete this. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this point here is 15 millimeters. Okay. And here, delete this distance here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center here and this point here is 42 millimeters. And here, go to constraint, select tangent, make this arc tangent with this line here. Okay, we have this. That's good. We can hide the sketch one here. Let me remove this here. Okay. Now go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this point and this circle here. Make an arc here. Remove the construction line type and create another arc here. And create another arc here. Go to sketch dimension. This arc has 4 millimeters of radius. Okay. The distance between this line here, this point here, and this construction line is 1.8 millimeters. This arc here has 16 millimeters of radius. And go to constraint, select tangent, make this line tangent with this circle here. And here, make this arc tangent with this arc here. We have this. Okay. We have this. And here, finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The direction here is symmetric measurement, whole length. And the distance here, 14 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create a sketch again. Select the top plane. Show the sketch one. Go to create project, include project. Select this line here. And select this point. Press OK. Now select this circle. Make a circle here with 8 millimeters of diameter. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and the midpoint here is 1.5 millimeter. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click in this point and this point here. Okay, we have this. Now go to create, select the project, include project, select this arc here, this arc, and select this arc here and this arc, press OK. Go to offset, select this line here. The offset here is 2 millimeters. And go to offset again, select this edge here. The offset here is 1.5 millimeters. Let's change the side, press OK. We have this, OK. Select line, click here, make a line here between these 2 points here. Go to sketch dimension, the angle between these 2 lines here is 15 degrees. And the distance between this line here and the midpoint here is 10 millimeters. The distance here, okay. We have this. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, click here in this point, make an arc here. Tangent with this line here. Go to trim, cut here, and cut here. Go to constraint, select tangent, make this arc tangent with this line. Move this. He changed the reference, lost the reference, but no problem. What you're gonna do is sketch dimension, select this arc, this point here, 2 millimeters, and this arc, this point here, 1.5 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in this point and click in this point here. Okay, we have this. Go to modify, select trim, cut here, and cut here. Go to fillet, select this point here, the fillet 2 millimeters, and this fillet here 2 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. Let me hide this body here. Okay. The operation here is cut the extended type, all symmetric, and press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane, go to create, select the project, include project, select this face here, press OK. Now select a line, make a line here. Let me delete this. Go to constraint, select parallel, select this line here and this line, okay. Dimension, 3 millimeters of distance. Okay, we have this. We can drag this a little bit. Go to smart dimension here, 20 millimeters. But we can be 30 millimeters, okay? No problem. That's okay. Now make a square here because we use this to make a cut here, okay? So no problem. You can put the dimensions here. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. The operation here will be cut. The direction here is symmetric, extended type, distance, measurement, whole length, and the distance here is 5.5 millimeters. Operation cut, press OK. We made this, okay. Now go to create a sketch and select the front plane. That's okay. Go to create, select the project, include project, Select this edge here and this edge here. Select this edge here and this edge here. And press OK. We can hide this body here. We have this two line here, okay? Now select the line, make a line here between these 2 points and go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, click here in this line, make an arc here and make another arc here, okay? Okay, go to sketch dimension. The distance between this point here and this point here is 8 millimeters. And the radius here is 15 millimeters of radius. Make the same here, 15 millimeters of radius. And the distance here, 8 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Now finish the sketch, show the body here. Go to extrude, select this two profile here. And we'll make a cut here, okay? So here the distance to object, select this object here, adjacent face, operation cut, press OK. We have this, okay. Now go to create a sketch, select the top plane again. Select line, construction line. We can use this point here, sorry, go to create project, include project, show this, use this point here, press OK. Select line, construction line, click here in this point, make a construction line here. Make sure that it is a horizontal line, okay. Now select 2-point rectangle, remove the construction line type, make a rectangle here. You can delete these constraints. Okay, make this parallel, this two line here and this two line here. Okay, and make this line perpendicular. Okay, move this a little bit here. Move this line here a little bit. Go to Smart Dimension. The angle between these two lines here is 80 degrees. Okay. The distance between these 2 points here is 15 millimeters. The distance here, sorry, is not the distance, is the length line, is 4 millimeters. And this length here is 15 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Now go to constraint, select vertical, horizontal, click in this point here and this point here. We have this, okay. Now finish the sketch. We have this. Go to create, select revolve. The profile with this profile, the axis is this axis here. We'll make the operation cut here, 360 degrees. Press OK. We made this, okay. Nice. Go to fillet. Select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 0.5 millimeters. Press OK. Now select fillet again. Select this face here. This face, no. Let me remove this. Select this edge here. The two circle here inside. This face here. And this face here. The fillet here is 0.3 millimeters. Press OK. We have this, okay. And now to finish this, select fillet again. Select this edge here and this edge here. The fillet here is 0.5 millimeters. press OK. Here we finish our exercise. See you in the next video. And to finish this exercise, so thanks for watching and bye bye. See you in the next video.